Hey, welcome to my YouTube channel, Making Sense of Credit, making sense of making money online. I'm Tony Hill. I'm a personal and small business credit coach, online marketer, and YouTuber. Hey, welcome. Hey, today I wanted to reach out to you. I know it's been a while. Most of you guys know that I had a cardiac arrest several months ago, and I've been recovering and lost a lot of my voice. But now I think, 80 to 90% of my voice is back. I'm feeling a lot better. Gained a little weight, as you can probably see, especially in my face on this prednisone. But I'm very fortunate to be alive, so I'm not complaining. Don't think I'm complaining. But look, I wanted to bring you some new content. I got quite a few things I want to talk to you guys about in the next several months, upcoming months. And look, enough of that. Before I jump into this video, look, if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. And also, thank you for being here if you're not a subscriber watching this video. Uh, uh, please smash the like button if you like the video. Hit the notification bell up for upcoming content. And make sure you share this with your friends and family. Don't keep it to yourself. And most of all, subscribe. And feel free to make a comment. I love it. So look, hey, today I'm talking about, getting higher credit limits with no documentation and really just your personal credit. So let me define a little bit about, because you'll hear things like stated income, and then also POI, proof of income, that sort of thing. Well, so this video covers getting higher credit limit with no documentation. So look, the better your credit scores are, you're going to run into a lot of different opportunities where you won't need uh, documentation, or what a lot of times you'll hear uh, lenders say is POI, proof of income. Okay, so the higher your score is, the less likely you're gonna need POI, because what happens is as your credit score is up, you build trust with lenders, and so they really look at you as they really look at you like you're responsible. So you'll be able to get a lot of things without proof of income. But the lower your scores are, believe me, they're going to want any and everything. Proof of income, um, some kind of utility bill. I mean, they can get pretty crazy with the STIPs, as they call them, or stipulations, just to get a loan, fine, especially on an automobile and other things. Um, and also, too, maybe even on credit cards, they may want a proof of income, depending on who you're applying with. But look, if the higher your scores are, the better chances you're gonna have to get a higher credit limits. But I think what happens is a lot of times people, when they apply, and it's a lot of people who are coming to me where they send me emails and say, "Hey Tony, my credit score is 730, and I'm still getting these $500,000 credit cards." Well, there's typically a simple reason why, and that's not because they're not putting down a whole lot of income. And look, you may be getting the credit that you deserve, which may be just 1,000 or 500 or $1,500. But a lot of times people don't understand when they ask for, they got a little spider hanging out. When they got a little, when they got household income, they can get a little higher credit limit. So make sure you're aware of that. So, if whether it's your wife, you got other money coming in, a lot of people, man or woman, get spousal support or child support. You can use all that income when you're putting your income down for a credit card, or um, and look, I mean, even for a personal loan or whatever the case may be. But a lot of times, if you're going to get, because you're getting those lower limits, is because of the income that you're putting in. And I'm not telling you at all to fudge let me just get this out the way. I'm not telling you to fudge your income to get higher limits. That's going to be on you on what you put in there. Put in that box where it says income. But make sure you use household income. So, if you make X amount of money and maybe your wife makes more, or you make more money than your wife, or whatever the case may be, but you can put both incomes in there as annual. So if she makes 50, you make 50, put $100,000 household income now. And I guarantee you're going to get a little higher, you're going to get a higher line of credit. So that's a pretty quick fix. Um, and also too, when you have better credit or you have good credit, good to excellent credit, you're going to be able to do stated income, which most credit card companies do. And I just want to read you what stated income is. Stated income is where the lender does not verify borrower's income by looking at their pay stubs, W-2, employee's income, forms, income tax returns, or other records. Instead, borrowers are simply asked to state their income and taken at their word. So once again, work on your credit, keep getting your credit up. And I think as you gradually get your credit scores near the 700 mark, you'll find that you'll have a lot of opportunities for stated income when you don't have to prove your income. I know that one of my clients, I sent them to DCU, Digital Credit Union, and they did stated income, and they didn't need any POI, proof of income, on a vehicle, and they were approved for $50,000. And you say, oh, they must have a 770, 780 credit score. No, their credit score, I can tell you this, it was under 700. So, hey, hopefully you learned something here today about stated income, no documentation because of higher scores, using stated income. And look, I hope you guys keep working on it. Make sure you check out my other videos talking about how to get your credit better. And if your credit invisible, start to add trade lines. Okay. So look, this is Tony Hill, making sense of credit, making sense of making money online. Until next time, and thanks for being with me here today. Peace.